Thanks for watching the DIY Daddy channel. My name is Don, and in this video we're going to talk about zucchini, or courgettes as they're called in other places in the world. So this is that time of year where gardens are wrapping up. People are having all kinds of vegetables in their gardens to deal with, and with zucchini, while it is a great vegetable, sometimes they get a little out of hand. So a lot of people just don't know what to do with them. So the running joke is, once zucchinis are in season, lock your doors so that your friends don't try and give you some. Well, there's a lot you can do with zucchini. I've got an amazing recipe that was given to me by my friend Ben for zucchini relish. The stuff is so freaking good. I can't make enough of it fast enough, and people just want it. But what you can do with zucchini is also freeze it. Now, by doing that, you can keep it for a good 12 to 18 months in your freezer and use it for breads or pretty much any other recipe. And the nice thing about freezing it is that when it freezes, the water crystallizes and ruptures the cell walls, so it makes it softer, and when you thaw it, all that excess water drains out. So it's your recipes won't be as mushy. Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what I've got going on here. Alright, so I've got some zucchini, and the first thing, whenever you're canning or freezing or doing anything with your produce, the most important thing is to work with clean stuff. So make sure you wash them really thoroughly. Get all the dried flour, or sometimes the flour in the end will just rot and stick to the flesh. You want to make sure you wash all that off, get all the dirt off and everything. Now, with a lot of these larger ones, people tend to say, well, once they're that big, they're no good. Well, that's not really true, because even though the inside may get very spongy and full of seeds, all you have to do is cut that part out. The outer flesh is still great. Now, if it gets to the point where this starts to turn brown, then it's too far gone. So what I've done is I've cut up a bunch of pieces and cleaned them up and cut out the spongy middle. Alright, it's very simple to do. And you just quarter them up, slice it down. And there you go. That's perfectly good zucchini to use. Alright, now the next step is going to be to shred it. You have to cut some of these down a little bit, that's fine. Now we're going to turn her on and start feeding it in. So now we've got a whole bunch of shredded zucchini. Now at this point, all the zucchini is perfectly shredded, so you can start shoveling it into Ziploc bags. Make sure you push out all the air. Alright, so here's an example of one that went a little too far. The inside should be kind of like light green. This one's starting to turn yellowish, so the pulp is just really hard and difficult to work with. So this one I would say is past due. You may still want to use it. Personally, I wouldn't. Alright, so there it is. I got my zucchini. I got it sealed up in 2 cups at a time, because a lot of the recipes, especially like bread, asks for 2 cups at a time. It doesn't seal that well with a food sealer because it's too juicy. But if you just like push all the air out manually and then seal it, it does just fine. Or just use Ziploc bags or regular plastic bags would taste nice. Now keep in mind that shredding it, if you're going to freeze it, is the best way to do it, because once it thaws it gets quite mushy. So definitely don't freeze them whole. Slices, that's okay, I guess, if you're going to be using it like right away, but shredding is my preference. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And see you on the next one. I've got a whole bunch of other videos coming up very shortly with all the other stuff in my garden, from pickling and canning to preserving all kinds of other things. So, thanks for watching.